Won't you stay, 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 stay on? Won't you stay, 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 stay on? Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Victoria Justice Stay. Alright, very easy song, guys. We're going to be using 4 basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in center tuning and put your cap on fret number 4. Alright, so the chords are as follows. First chord is a C, and you are basically plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2 if you decide to pluck, but I like to pluck and then strum. Okay, pluck, strum with a mute, not to leave it open, it's and then you mute. Okay, so pluck, strum, mute. So C to A minor, and then D minor, and then lastly G. Okay, so for C I'm using 5, 4, 3, 2. For A minor again it's 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for D minor it's 4, 3, 2, 1, and then for G 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So here I'm doing a 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1 being the fingers that you're plucking. So 5, 4, 3, 2 being the strings that I'm plucking. But you need to know which strings you're going to be plucking for each chord. Okay, so here it's 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so 2 becomes a pluck of the whole string. Okay, 5, 4, 3, pluck. 5, 4, 3, pluck, 4, 3, 2, pluck, and then 6, 4, 3, pluck. And that's how I play this song, alright? And I think that sounds really original. That's been it for this tutorial, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, yeah, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description. It'll teach you how to hold the chords, and then you can play any of my tutorials because I literally use the same chords. Anyways, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.